Is your multimedia or imaging software crashing because of the Libwebp.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. As we look at the manual steps for Libwebp, there is also a diagnostic resource for reviewing your overall system health. This is the Libwebp, the WebP Image Codec Library. It provides unmanaged routines for decoding and scaling WebP imagery, facilitating the visual manifest for modern media data links. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. Libwebp is commonly required by games and graphics applications. Installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime restores legacy DirectX runtime files, while updating your GPU drivers resolves OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA dependencies. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Libwebp component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. If you are still seeing the error after a reboot, it indicates that the application's local file structure is damaged, so you should perform a clean reinstallation by deleting the program's hidden app data folders. This ensures that old configuration files are not blocking the new version of your DLL from being deployed by the official installer. Why are we doing this? Well, third-party libraries are often cached in temporary directories, and a clean wipe is the only way to force the software to recognize a fresh library file. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. The version of Libwebp.dll found on most download sites is often compiled for different hardware, which can cause your CPU to work harder or crash. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. If you're addressing Libwebp inconsistencies, the official utility below provides maintenance-related documentation. To keep Libwebp running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.